Hello friends, today I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy A50S. This is an upgraded model from the older A50. There is not much of a difference, only you will find some differences in the camera and also on the base memory. Like this model is 6 GB variant. It comes with instead of 64 GB, now it comes with 128 GB of memory. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up and check it out. And as you can see here, it is mentioned 26,900, but now if you buy it from Samsung shop or Amazon or Flipkart, you will get this in only 19,990 rupees. So I have already opened the box and also switched on the phone too. Let's see. So this is the phone. This is the black color. The name is Prism Crush Black. So as you can see, there is a prism like uh, structure or design here, and these are the new cameras. I'll let you know what we get in those cameras. In the meantime, let's boot this up. So as you can see, this is still the Infinity U display. We get the earpiece as it was on the older model. We also get the same place, the headphone jack, USB-C, and your bottom firing speaker. One microphone here, and there is another microphone here. Power button, volume rocker, nothing on this side, only the SIM tray. Uh, let's see what's in the box. We get a fast adaptive fast charger in here. So this is a black one, so it comes with okay, let's me focus. So this is a travel adapter charger, and it comes with 9-volt output, also is 5 volts, so it is a fast charger. Let's keep this aside. And in the box we also get the cables, charging cables, and also the headphones. Nothing else in the box. I also knew that there is something in here, so like the SIM ejector tool, and also you get some, so there is, I have misplaced it somewhere. So there is also a transparent case comes with this phone. So let's open the SIM tray and look out how the SIM is comes. So let's open this up and check it out. So basically it is not an hybrid SIM card support. Again, now you can see here you can install two SIMs as well as a micro SD card. And I do have the Samsung Galaxy A50, the old model. This is the A50S and this is the A50. The difference is that in this phone we used to have on the A50 25 megapixel of camera, and here we are getting 48 megapixel of camera. So the aperture is bit low here because since the megapixel is high, so we are getting a 2.0 aperture and one 8 megapixel camera ultra wide and 5 megapixel 2.2, both are 2.2 aperture. As compared to the front camera, here we get 32 megapixel with aperture of 2.0. If we compare with the old model, then old model had a camera of 25 megapixel front facing with 2.0 aperture, as well as the back 25 megapixel with aperture of f1.7. That was really nice to capture a lot of light. As compared to this one, we will compare that, and the rest two cameras are the same, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel f2.2. So let's open this phone and also check what we used to get in this phone too. So as you can see, this is the case that I have bought from Samsung. This is the original case. As you can see this case video on my channel. So it is a hard TPU case, so it can be used on both the phones. You can also install this here too. It is same. So if you buy it, it will work on both the phones. So no need to worry about like it will support or not. So we will open the SIM tray here too, and I'll show you the difference. See, the same thing. So basically the difference is that the old phone had less memory. This is 6 GB, 64 GB, and this comes up with 6 GB RAM, and it comes with 128 GB. So that's all the difference, my friends. And if you have any doubts, then you can ask in the comment section below. And the display quality is same, and I will show you the memory too, how much storage we used to get here, like the my files. Where is the my files? Let me check here. Yes, as you can see here, it is 128 GB, and the older model, if you switch it on in the meantime, and this phone will also get upgraded to Android 10 with the new Samsung UI 2.0. As you can see, this is the A50 and this is the A50S. So as you can see, I have got both the phones in my hand, and you can see the difference. There is not much of a difference on the looks or display or anything. The sizes are also the same, as you can see here. Only the difference is the color and all. And on the storage, I'll show you. We used to compare that. So as you can see, it is 128 GB and earlier it was 64 GB. So, and if we check the battery, let me show you. Yes, there is a difference. However, I forgot to mention status. And where is the battery information? Let me check. Just give me 1 second. Yes, battery information. So battery information. As you can see, the sizes of the battery are typically the same. Okay, so what we get, only the camera update and some few announcements like more megapixels, more space to save your data. So I forgot to mention one thing earlier, is that earlier we used to have this button work as directly as the power button. Okay, now they have changed it. Samsung has done this. I have selected it, but you get a side key settings. You have to go here. Basically, when you first start this phone, it will be on wake Bixby or open Bixby. So you have to configure this differently. You can also use the double tap to open some other apps, like you can select it here and you can select some apps that you want to select, which should be open when you double click the home button. Sorry, double click the power button. I'm sorry for the wrong thing. So that's all, my friends. I think the same change will come on this phone too. Might be, I'm not sure, but when we get the Android 10 here, I will also give the information on the comment section below. And that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Bye bye.